one shortstop. And now experience new sensational brands.
If you own designer handbags you no longer use, readbag.com will purchase them from you.
I uploaded pictures, received a quote, sent the bag in their shipping box.
No, Ruby. Ruby. Come on, sweetheart. No, let go, let go, let go. Let go, Ruby. Let There we go.
That's why I said stop. Now I lose weight from eating sensibly.
Looky here. Looky there. What do you think? Aunt Melinda painted that. Yeah.
Find out more at bmismart.com.
Are you a Christian author with a book ready to share with the world but need a publisher? We'll place your book for sale at all major mainstream booksellers, offering it to millions. We do it all.
You like that painting, don't you? Huh? You like that, don't you?
First question, sheep or coffee?
Well, let's see what else you can look at.
Okay, brownie crunch or chunky peanut butter?
Let's see. I think we got this at a Starving Artist sale.
Here is done.
Yeah, what do you think?
Have a think.
For better or worse.
Wait, does that include his less than perfect driving record?
Pretty cool, huh?
Auto insurance with low payments for multiple vehicles.
Those colors look good behind you. Yeah. Looky here. Your mommy's friend Liz made that. Turn around, look. Yeah. What do you think about that?
She looked at me and I said, there is no other love in this whole wide world than the love I have for you. I love you.
Yeah, Liz made that. It's pretty cool, huh? Look, you're here. Okay, there. Nothing too original there. Let's see.
Don't worry, Dr. Ryan.
Grandma Vance made that.
Not again.
Yeah, Grandma Vance made that, Ruby. Yeah. All right.
I was going to wait for a Yankee team to do this, but I don't know. It's something I want to say to you. And I'm having a hard time saying it for some reason, but it's just,
What is that, huh?
Monk stately.
What is that? Oh, looky there. There's that. Wow.
That's what was so hard to say to me.
Yeah.
And when I was on the phone with Buddy, he gave me some advice.
Oh, that's great. His advice is a little cuckoo, but
What you doing,
somehow it
Ruby?
works.
Well, I
Ruby,
guess I'll just do
What
he
you
suggested.
doing? What you doing?
I don't think that we should see each other for a while.
Hey, Ruby,
Buddy thinks
what you
that
doing?
A trial separation will ultimately strengthen our relationship.
Well, come on. Let's look at everything else real quick.
I played tennis, dumbass.
All right. Let's come in here. There's more stuff to look at.
You said I was out.
That there. Now looky there. You've seen that before, yeah? Mommy and Daddy got that on our honeymoon on our cruise at the art auction. It's by a Russian artist, Anatol Krasniansky.
Now, what keys do we need to possess to play?
And this one, I believe, your mom's friend Noelle gave her as a present. Yeah. Are you posing? Are you posing in front of it? Yeah.
You told Linda we should have a trial separation?
All right.
Yes?
And see this one?
Separating from Linda is a
Ruby.
crucial part of our
That one.
Maestro?
That one we watched the artist make that down on 6th Street in Austin, Texas. He did that with spray paint. That's all spray paint, no brushes.
She recognizes your neuroticness. You're jealous, self-loathing, resentful,
Yeah.
insecure,
Do you want to see this one now? Huh? Do you want to see this one now?
Well, that part I was
Yeah.
Like Abram?
Anyway, a trial separation will make you both gain a deeper
What do you think?
appreciation.
All right.
David Lustig.
Ruby.
After she dates a couple of losers, she'll be begging you to take her back.
Bye-bye.